Manufacturing is a dynamic field that pairs modern technology, computer and robots with the more traditional process. The Grant Scout Talent Program was created as a result of a meeting with local manufacturers.
At a local level, there is a need for qualified workers in the workplace, individuals that have a basic knowledge of what is expected of them in the workplace.
We're talking about specific needs that manufacturers right here in Grant County have. We partnered with WorkOne and Ivy Tech Community College, and the classes are taught right here in Marion.
I think the reason that they call it Grant Scout Talent is because it's a Grant County initiative. We want to try to get locally individuals here that are needing jobs, get them in a program where they'll qualify to meet the standards that these employers are looking for.
They learn soft skills, how to be a more effective employee. This program is open to any adult who is interested in having a long-term career in manufacturing.
My husband died 7 years ago of cancer, and I had 3 kids. I got 2 raised. I had to do something to get a decent, better job.
My experiences are in the culinary arts. I'm a self-taught chef. I've been in the culinary arts for 30 years. When I lost my last job, I made a decision I don't really want to continue in the culinary arts. It's a younger man's game. What I was wanting to do was take all my experience as a chef and transform that into something else. I feel rather confident that it really should work out well.
I've just been wanting to get out of retail, and I like to be hands-on, and I thought production would be a good fit. I've never worked in a production facility before. The certification will land me a job one step above the person that has maybe 1-2 years experience.
In this MSSC program, this certification process they're going through is 4 elements: safety, quality, production, and preventive maintenance.
3 to 5 days a week, 4 hours a day, plus the company tours. It's like a 12-week program. You have to dedicate yourself to it, but I think in the long run it will pay off.
Anything worth having is worth working for.
I try to bring other elements to the class from personal experiences that kind of gives them a broader perspective of what goes on in the workplace.
It does balance the very heavy computer side of it, and so that's why we have done so much with the hands-on activity.
The measurement devices I found kind of interesting because I've never had to do something that precise.
I did learn from that. I know how to do it now.
I would have to say my favorite one was the Tinker toy, hands-on, and the instructor said, I want you guys to make something that could be used in production or an assembly line. And finally someone came up with the idea, well, we can make a swing set.
We put them through all the tours, presentations from local manufacturers. Some programs don't do that. Some, it's just you listen to the narrator, you do your coursework, and you go home.
I like the tours. I worked for Walmart, the store, for 5 years, but then I got to learn about the distribution center and how it functions.
Before we went on the tour, we got a little discussion from one of the plant managers.
I have 15 years experience in factory work, but the stuff that they're teaching us is more in depth.
Grant County is going to become more productive, and there'll be more companies looking at Grant County because we will have a more talented base of staff.
I will achieve something.
I think this is going to give me a good step up.
I just think it's just going to give me an edge to find the job that I need for me and my family.